How's it going, everyone? My name is Ruiz, your San Antonio real estate agent, and today we're out here with another home tour. Today we're going to be checking out a model home here at POTRANCO Acres, which is a brand new community located off of POTRANCO Road. The builder in this community is Texas Homes, and they've built over 6,000 homes in the San Antonio and surrounding area. These beautiful homes are all built on 1 acre lots, so you have plenty of space and the privacy. Now, before we take a look inside, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, as I'll be putting out new videos each week, giving you the latest info, market updates, and highlighting the different communities in the San Antonio area. Now let's go take a look at this model home. Welcome back, everyone. So the model home we are going to be looking at today is Plan 3245 by Texas Homes. This model is definitely going to be a good one. This is one of Texas Homes' luxury models. Now, this model home in particular is 3,245 square feet and features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Now, before we make our way up the driveway, I want to highlight the entrance of this community. This is a gated community which has a fire station that is off to the left-hand side and sits right outside the front gates, which I think is a great bonus to living in this community. As we make our way up the driveway, you'll notice the side entry 3-car garage I previously mentioned that allows you to maintain that luxury curb appeal. The garage will be split between an individual and dual car garage. Now, one thing to note in this model is that the single car garage split is currently being utilized as the construction management office. This floor plan has an open space concept, so the living room, dining room, and kitchen flow into each other, which is a great feature for maximizing your interior space. As I previously mentioned, each lot is 1 acre in size, so there is plenty of room to build your custom home on, all while having that Texas-sized yard. As you can see, the front exterior of this home has some beautiful rustic accent features, and the elevation is comprised of a combination of stucco and stone. This community is minutes away from the small town of Castroville, Texas, but is also located just minutes up the road from the POTRANCO area, which has a local grocery store of H-E-B and also many different shopping and restaurant options. Now, if you like this home or would like to see any other homes this community has to offer, feel free to contact me. My information will be in the description below, and I hope you enjoy this tour.